Looking for a blender that does more than just mix? The NutriBullet RX promises to transform your kitchen experience with its powerful 1700-watt motor and hands-free smart technology. Whether you want a quick single serving or a family-sized batch, this blender handles it all while unlocking the full nutrients from your fruits, veggies, nuts, and seeds. Plus, it's not just about cold blends. Its unique 7-minute heating cycle lets you whip up hot soups, sauces, and warm drinks effortlessly. I recently tried the NutriBullet RX myself, and it's clear why it's one of the most advanced models out there. The hands-free Smart Start and Stop function means you don't have to hold down buttons, making it incredibly convenient. The short cup holds 30 ounces, and the pitcher offers a full liter, perfect for any appetite. What really impressed me was the soup function. I followed a mushroom soup recipe from their website, and the result was a creamy, perfectly blended soup with no chunks at all. It came out steaming hot right from the blender, saving me time and extra pots to clean. The included Nature's Prescription for Optimum Health book is a thoughtful bonus, guiding you on customizing recipes to meet your health goals. If you want a blender that combines power, versatility, and smart technology, the NutriBullet RX is worth a look. It meets US and Canadian electrical standards, so you know it's safe and reliable. Whether you're blending nutrient-packed smoothies or preparing warm, comforting soups, this blender does it all with ease. Try it when you're ready to elevate your kitchen routine and enjoy fresh, healthy meals in minutes.